Hey now, Mike Shamon here. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to do a custom fixed header with the Divi theme. So I've already made my full width header, alright, and this is just going to show you, this is just a quick tutorial, because I know there's a lot of people having this issue, and they don't know how to fix it without doing CSS. What you want to do is you want to go to your settings, advanced, and you want to go down to position, and you want to switch to, you want to make sure your Z index is not on 0. You want to make sure you just want to crank it up a little bit. And you want to go to fixed. Alright, and it'll fix your header that way. So just go to check. And now if I scroll, you can see my header's sitting right there with me. It's all fixed. Alright, so if I go back to advanced and position and go to default, check, you can see it scrolls right up there. So that's how you do the default, or that's how you do the fixed position. You just go to fixed and check and save. And then it is fixed. So that's how you do the fixed header with Divi. I hope you guys got some value out of this video. I'll see you all in the next video.